na sila. It's time to harvest all of them. So, we can make jelly. Ay, lalaki. Ito, oh, ang laki niya. Yeah. Hi guys, this is Chinese plum pala. Longquat. I look for it. But this is a lot of benefits, like antioxidants. It's good for your, when you really need to, if you're constipated, you can use this. Ang dami, no? Hi! So, siya. Para lang siyang lansones, pero matamis siya pag pinabayaan mong mahinog dito. Ang dami-dami. It's a lot. We will try to make jelly with this. Tanong ko nga sa susundo ko how to make it. Yay! Ang dami, ha? Diba? Marami pa siya doon. So, guys.